Yeah, we're not too far off from releasing these albums. Yeah, tell them motherfuckers go ahead and play it. Homie, we made it. Line up my old bitches, believe that we dated. I call out my homies, we leaving for Vegas. They come back with triple, we flip what we making. This shit is amazing, but know it ain't front. I made a request for whatever I want. You make a reserve and just hope it ain't gone. The shit is a shame, I just level my coins. I carry the team, I feel pain in my joints. I'm speaking the truth, but I don't get the point. I bring up the issues, you don't want that noise. I don't wanna dish you or take at your boy, but shit, if I had to, it's gonna be a murder scene. I'm about even you fucking with hurting me. Y'all sound the same, you a cloning your verses. We ain't no contest, even if it's y'all versus me. Bitch, I'm on Burgundy. Yeah, now God put the verse in me. Now my son like Hercules. The way I be burning these. I'm Gaia, the earth in me. I'm Wyatt, I'm certain fiends. Cause I got the hurt in me. And I'ma keep giving it.
They couldn't believe it, I'm rolling 6 deep with the demons. They call out my name cause I've seen it. Scratching for pennies, the fiends, they couldn't try getting between us. Watching me build different, watching me build different. Talking sense and you will listen. I earn plenty of shots, taking long missions. Ain't a race, bro, this is long distance. Yeah. Plenty of shortcomings, now it's time to ride to the throne. 276 to the 42, yeah that's home. While they back it off the dome, moving like I'm Sherlock Holmes. All these boys are all for show, talking sense that and you know. Watching back and fresh as flow, never slow, never slow, never slow, never slow. And they all know the code, NFS my bro. Hold up, yeah, YV.
I've been telling you guys, man, but everyone thinks, hey, like Roy Jones said, I said, y'all must have forgot. Y'all must have forgot.
I get down like I'm in the basement. How you got no cheese and a rat? Got a chop top, had to stack it up. Paid in full, cash. Check the statement. Know it's real when the strain costs more than the gas. 43, that's the postcode. Step at NFS on the map. I might have to burr on them. I didn't say per homie. I got a swerve on her. I might have to purge on her. There's no contact, I stay masked up. I come barefaced if you act up. Like a pear shape with an ass up. I need that, 5+ and the fest. Gone, we plotting on excess. Joe, I'm smoking to get by. Who am I about the shit, bitch? Pick sides, realize, leave you cross-eyed on the jet quest. Multiply, true as tiny. Details on my neck, bitch, you can get hit.
Look at me, just 16. Not gonna stop until I succeed. Not playing games, don't compete. YM album soon released. Fuck it, yeah, let me go hard. Give a fuck about the pussy retard. I'ma run that ball, yeah, yard for yard. I'ma use that reverse card, bitch. So don't ever stop me and my 6 shouldn't be taken lightly. We ain't lose, it's so unlikely, but you can taste my shock straight Nike gang. Let me hang loose, slay your pussy shit tight, not loose. Eat it up like chocolate mousse. T-dollar bring that fire deuce, be 42.
Yeah, and I see you media people as well with your little clickbait headlines, but trust me, I had to make y'all remember.
Album on its way, lad. Each way, it will change. We on.
We the best.
Yeah, we on now. Not too hot, flows too quick. Kick it right back when I'm under shit. I got some bad intentions, like G. You must be paying, you fucking with me. Now it's 1, 2, 3, gonna stop at the whip. Cash my checks and it's all for the drip. Now quick little nigga, you don't want this shit. Got that in the face, the control of the board, now shit's too fire. I'm not hanging around with no liars. I got plenty on me, I'm hired. I heard you try to, you fired. Fuck it, kick that bitch out, I'm tired. Big back still, we all gonna die, bitch. Out here lacking like you retired. We only out here just started spinning around you.